Hey friends, Etsy beginners, don't open your shop before doing this one thing. Because most new Etsy shops don't fail because Etsy is bad. They fail because they start with the wrong plan and the wrong product. If you open your shop first and then try to figure everything out, you'll waste weeks and you'll feel like Etsy doesn't work. But Etsy does work. You just need clarity before action. Step 1. Validate demand, don't guess. Before you create anything, check if people are already buying similar products. If there's no demand, you can have the best design in the world and still get 0 sales. Check. Search your product idea on Etsy and look for many results, many reviews, recent activity. That's demand. Step 2. Start with one simple product. Don't start with 20 products. Start with one product that solves one clear problem. Beginners should focus on simple templates, checklists, planners, trackers, clarity cells. Step 3. Use a listing checklist. Most beginners lose sales because of small mistakes like confusing title, weak keywords, unclear images, no clear benefits and description. A checklist helps you avoid those mistakes and launch correctly. So before you open your Etsy shop, remember: 1. Validate demand. 2. Start with one simple product. 3. Follow a listing checklist. That's it. If you want, I made a simple Etsy starter checklist for beginners, so you don't miss any steps. It's linked in the description. Start the right way and save yourself months of confusion. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Also, check the Etsy starter checklist link in the description.